Welcome back to the training. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to input equations for these holes here. Initially, I have to go to the hole here, which is highlighted, expand it, and go to the 3D sketch. Select Edit Sketch. Delete this dimension, drag this point to this direction, go with Smart Dimension, 8. Go to the equations, add equation, select this dimension, global variables, select width times 8 divided by 50. Add equation, select this dimension, global variables, select length times parentheses 7.7 over 125. Enter. Right. Select OK. Exit sketch. Select the 2D sketch. Edit sketch. Turn your view orientation to this plane here. Equations. Add equation. Select the 24 depth. Global variable, select height times parentheses 24 divided by 60.